Can we all agree that there's no better smell than a new car smell? Well, I'm about to put you guys on. There's no need to buy the air fresheners that go right here or the little trees that hang that don't even last maybe a week. What every dealership and every car detailer use is this Blackline Car Care air freshener. This is actually a sprayable air freshener. All you do is shake it a little bit and give it about 1, 2, 3. You give it a couple of sprays and your car will smell like brand new. This is the dark ice flavor. This is the new car smell that everybody uses. Not only does this make it smell good, but it also neutralizes the bad odors that you have in your car or in your seats. If your seat smells bad, just spray your seat directly. It'll leave no residue. So if you guys are worried about that, you have nothing to worry about. If you guys want to check it out, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link down below, but make sure you grab yours right now because they're running a sale and it's gonna end pretty soon. So make sure you grab it right now.